everybody! Today I'm opening up my Boxycharm for the month of February. This is the base box. It's $25 for 5 full-size products. And I got to pick one of the items. We open it up, you'll notice there's no foam, no bubble wrap, and no card. But that's okay, because the items inside are awesome. First up, we have the Luxie sponges. This is a complete sponge set. It says Bake Contour Detail. I believe this is a new release from Luxie. They usually make the makeup brushes. So we have different sizes. I think they're supposed to be different consistencies as well. I do not use these for foundation. I do, however, use them to blend out my concealer and to put, I said that funny, blend out my concealer and to also put some powder on my concealer to kind of, I guess they call it bake your concealer. So I'm really excited to try these. I'll have to do some research and let you know how much they are worth. Next, we have some makeup wipes. It says Avio Skin Aurora times Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So I can always use face wipes, and these have hemp in them, which is like the hot ingredient now. What is the advantage of hemp in your makeup wipe? I don't know. Let's look. It's grown in Canada. It says balancing, multifunctional, and anti-fatigue. And boy, am I fatigued. Oh, and next up we have something from First Aid Beauty, which I've never tried anything from them before. This is the Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. That's neat. Let's open them up and see what they're like. They look like those Stridex pads you have when you were a teenager. And they really don't have much of a smell. So that's exciting. I'm excited to try these out. I'm not really like knowledgeable about skincare, but I'm assuming that you do this after you cleanse your face, and then before you put your serums and your moisturizers on. All right, next up we have something from Ciate London. We have Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This is nice. I was out of setting powder, so I went to, I think it was just Walmart, and bought the Coty, like really old-fashioned setting powder. So this will be nice to try. It looks like it's a white powder. Sealed. I wanted to smell it. See if it smells like coconuts. Oh, it does. It smells like a Mounds bar. Again, with the food, I swear I'm on a diet. All right, so that'll be nice. And last but not least, this is the item that I picked, a Becca foundation. It's the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Cashmere. I hope it's not going to be too dark. About 1 or 2 weeks before this choice was announced, I had purchased this because I had people at work tell me how wonderful it was. Well, when I got it, I was really disappointed. It went into my pores and fine lines, but then didn't cover anything else. And then after about 2 hours, that was gone. I actually emailed Becca Cosmetics and said that I think I got a bad batch. They replied with instructions on how to apply foundation, but I had tried everything. A primer, not a primer, powder, setting powder, with the same results. So I got my receipt, took that one back to Ulta, and I saw this was available. I thought, I am going to see if the one I get is any different. Like maybe I did get a bad batch. So this might be okay. I'm going to pump it on here and see what the shade's like. It's spitting at me. It's not bad. It's kind of thick. I don't know that this shade will work, but we'll try it. Oh, I've been really bad about picking shades online, but I'm gonna try it. Already it feels different than the stuff that I had from Ulta. I think it will cover pretty good. So the great experiment will begin, and I can compare to see if that one is any better. Well, that's all I have. that's all I got for this month of February. Now, usually I would complain that it was skincare heavy, not a whole lot of makeup products, but actually it's a good thing because everything that came in this month, I'm gonna get use out of. Last month I got some, like an eyeshadow palette and some highlighter that I actually gave away. I wasn't even gonna use that. So I really think that this is an awesome box because I'll use everything in here. And I'm actually very excited about everything that I got. Before I let you go, I have a bonus unboxing. This came in the mail today. I ordered this razor for myself and my girls. It's called Billie. Once you buy the razor, I believe it was $9, this beginner kit, and then they can send you the razor heads, 4 razor heads, and you can pick how often you want them to send them to you. So let's open up. And it says, "Hi, hello. Time to give your lady bod some love." And then in the bottom it says, "Got questions and contact information." And it came in this little pack. All right. And this is the box the razor comes in. Let's see what else is in here. The razor head. And it looks like there's 5 blades. Comes with a little thingy. Oh, and this is a holder for your handle. It's like a magnetic holder that you can put on the wall in your shower. It's just a little triangle thing with adhesive. And it has instructions in this little bag. And then the razor comes in a little slidey pouch. Oh, and this one's the blue one. I got us each a different color. That way we know which one's ours. This is like a pale blue, and it's got kind of a comfy grip on the bottom and a shiny on the top. And it actually, it came with a head as well. I was trying to see if this strip here was like a lotion, but it just feels rubbery. And then this top one feels a little rough. I am excited to try this out. You know, razors are super expensive. You go to the store and I just get sticker shock and end up not buying anything. So I'm excited to try these and give the girls their present when they get home tonight from school. Thank you for joining me for unboxing today. I will be putting some more videos up soon, so stay tuned. Bye!